Presenting the COT and DOT tanks, the clean oil tank and dirty oil tank, made by NPEC. The journey wasn't easy. The entire design documentation arrived completely in Chinese from the client, but our engineering team took it as an opportunity rather than a barrier, tackling it with precision, expertise, and collaboration. Then the fabrication work begins at our Vizag factory after all corrections are made and the client's confirmation is received. At first glance, the two tanks look almost identical, but their purposes are entirely different. The COT is designed to store clean oil, while DOT is meant for used or dirty oil. The COT holds an impressive 1,24,000 liters, stretching 11 meters in length, 3.3 meters in height, and 4 meters in width. The DOT, on the other hand, stands close behind, with a capacity of 1,28,000 liters, measuring 10.275 meters long, 3.3 meters high, and 4.4 meters wide. These tanks will go a minimum of 25 feet under the ground. That's why even the smallest leakage cannot be tolerated. To ensure absolute safety, we conduct hydro tests at every stage, ensuring zero leaks and perfect sealing. NPEC's engineers make this possible with unmatched precision. Then we dispatch the tanks to the client. This is engineering beyond boundaries. This is NPEC,